Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry leaves rice. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of cooked rice, a handful of fresh curry leaves, and common spices like turmeric and red chili powder. Make sure your rice is completely cooled. This prevents it from becoming mushy. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect texture and rich flavor in every bite. Next, let's build the flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. This releases their aromatic oils. Immediately follow with 1 teaspoon of urad dal, frying until it turns a beautiful golden brown. This tempering step is crucial for developing the deep, authentic taste of curry leaves rice. Now for the star ingredient. Add a generous handful of fresh curry leaves to your tempered spices. Sauté them for about 30 seconds until they become wonderfully fragrant and slightly crisp. This infuses the oil with their unique aroma. Then, gently fold in your cooled cooked rice. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices and curry leaves are evenly distributed throughout the rice for consistent flavor. Finally, let's perfect the seasoning. Add salt to taste and a pinch of turmeric powder for color and a subtle earthy note. Stir well to combine all the flavors. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of freshness and a beautiful presentation. Serve your delicious curry leaves rice warm as a main dish or a side. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.